Good morning, foodies. Welcome back to Breakfast Around the World. Today, we're taking a tasty trip to Bangladesh, where breakfast is hearty and flavorful. Ready to explore? Let's dig into some classic Bangladeshi morning dishes. First, we have paratha, crispy, buttery flatbreads, often paired with spicy curries, eggs, or potatoes. The perfect breakfast comfort food. Next is Singara, a crispy, deep-fried pastry filled with spiced potatoes and vegetables. Think of it as the perfect breakfast snack, crunchy and satisfying. Now let's try something traditional, pantabat. This fermented rice dish, paired with fried fish and pickles, is tangy, refreshing, and full of history. Finally, for those with a sweet tooth, there's shumai, sweet vermicelli in a creamy milk base, flavored with cardamom. It's a special occasion favorite. From savory parathas to sweet shumai, Bangladeshi breakfasts are a vibrant blend of textures and flavors. Which one would you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more breakfast adventures around the world.